Country to Train Gang Productions here, and this is my morning routine as a railfan. Alright, so we are heading out to Tukwila to catch some Amtrak and BNSF freight trains, and we're just getting ready here and we're on our way. Now, if you guys don't know, I've been actually most of the time listening to country music on my local radio station while heading out to the train tracks, and I really like it. Time to get set up. Alright, the lights should appear at any second now. And that's a wrap.